Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a WordPress website using Elementor. This is the backend of the website from where we control everything in the website, front and back end. Here this is a front end of the website. Right now we have simple content or default content, that's why its look and feel is not so good. Let's go back to the backend. Here is the dashboard. This is the dashboard, or you can call it home page. These are the update option. All the updates about the theme and plugins installed on the website will be available here. Right now we are on the latest version of WordPress. Here is the post. Right now this is a dummy post or default post. We can delete it because we don't need it, and from here we can add the new post as well, empty, and you can add new post, you can add categories, and then we have the media library where all the images, photos and videos, everything will be available in media library, and PDFs and other files like animated videos, everything will be here in media library. In the pages, we can add the pages on the website like home page, about page, contact page. Those all the pages you see on the front end, they will be added from here. And right now these are default pages, so we will trash them. Let's go to the trash and empty trash. So actually we need a clear website so we can develop it according to our requirements. And then we have the comments. In the comments, all the comments on the posts, pages and products, if you have, will appear here. From here you can control them, you can spam them, you can approve them, you can pending them, or you can delete them. And then we have the appearance. In the appearance, the most important thing is theme, and then we have some like menus. Right now we have default theme, but we use theme. Actually what happens, theme is look and feel of your website. Okay, when you as you will change the theme, look and feel of your website will be changed, but content remain the same. So it does not matter that what content do you have on your website, but the theme will decide the look and feel of the website. Content is something like their text, images or videos, these type of things. So I decided to go with a Bloxy theme. This is a free theme. Its paid version is also available, but this is a theme that provide most in free in its free version. So that's why I activated this. So we will use this. As we activated this, we have some more options of this theme like design, customization, widgets, fonts, menus. These are the most important options. Then we will go for the plugins. Like a theme controls the look and feel of the website. Plugins add the features on the website, in the website. So right now let's remove them. So we will add them again, and I'll show you how to add the plugins. Okay, let's remove it. We don't need this. Okay, so all the plugins are removed. Now let's add a first plugin. We will go add new, and we can upload as well. Then we will go for the popular plugins, and in the popular plugin, the first one is page builder, that is Elementor we will use. I'll install it. Now activate. So this plugin, let's activate its license. So we will go to the dashboard, WordPress dashboard from here, and then I'll go to the add new plugin, and from here I will upload, and then I'll go on my machine, and here I have plugins. In the plugins I have Elementor, and I'll upload this plugin, install, activate. After activating, we will see the Elementor option here, and then we will go to the editor, and then in the settings In the settings, then we have option license key, and here we will connect and activate, and here it is connected successfully. So let's refresh the page. So yes, here you can see this is connected. Okay, so let's go for the next option that we have users. From here we can add the users on the website, and then we have the settings is also important. Here we will go for the journal. Site title is very important for the SEO of the websites. We need to add the site title very carefully. First we will take the name rover, then we will add a pipe here, web designing company. If you want to have better search results in the Google or other search engines, then you should take care of that, because this is very important for the presence of your website. But you can ignore the tagline, because that is not so important. So let's add the icon. Right now let me show you here in the tab. This is WordPress icon, so we can add our own icon here. We can go here, we will upload it from our machine. Here you can see that. Set the icon, yes, just add it. So this is fave icon is added. This is called fave icon. So now when I save it, you will see it here. You can see in the tab. So now next option is here. You can see this is the HTTP. So we will add S, because we have a safe and secure website. So, and then this is the email. You can change it, and this is a default role subscriber. You can change this as well, and you can change the language, and you can change the time zone, and from here you can change the format of the date, and this is fine right now, and I like this one, capital A. Let's save it, but probably it will ask us for the again login, because we added S. Here you can see, oh, it's saved. Let's go for the second option, another option, that is permalinks. Here you can see right now it's selected plain, but we will use this post name. Actually what happens, planes will have page IDs or post IDs instead of names. Now this will be the more clear, like rover.local/home, about, contact, services, whatever the page you will use, that's name will be used here. So let's save it. It is saved. Now let's go to the dashboard, and here now we will clear the dashboard. So we'll go for the screen options, and from here we will remove all the options that you can see on the front end. So we will have a clean dashboard for working. Now let's add some branding to the website, like colors, typography, logo, etc. So I already decided colors for my website. Sorry, here they are. So these are the colors, like this is the primary color, and then secondary color. This is a dark color that we can use for the some background colors and text colors, or these are also light colors that we can use in this section, background colors. So these will be the colors that we will use on our website. You can find out these type of color palettes from the website, that is, you can see here coolers.co. From here you can see, you can keep on pressing the space for the different color combinations. Here you can see, let's suppose you like this, you can just lock it, and rest now this will be fixed. Now when you will press this space, other 4 colors will keep on changing, but this color will remain stay. Here you can see we can use this one, and then yes, this is a good blue color, and you can change its position as well. And then now you will have variation in these 2 color palettes. This is also good, and yes, this is also good. So this you can this type you can in this way you can choose the colors. And I already choose the colors for my website, so let's use this. We will go to the back to our website dashboard, and here we will go to the customization, appearance, and then customization, and in the customization we will go to the colors, and here we can add the different colors. Some colors are already given by the Bloxy theme color palettes. Here you can see, from here you can change them as well. You can change this one. Here you can see this one, it change the colors in a single click, and if you don't like it you can go for this. Here you can see, and but we will go for this default, and we will customize it with our colors. Here you can see, you will just copy it, go back here, from here you can just paste this, and when you will paste you will see this difference. And again we will copy this back here in this secondary, we will add it here, and here you can see it's changed the colors. And for the dark one I'll add it in the 4th one. In the 4th I'll add it, and then in the 5th I will add this light color. I'll go here in the 5th color, and I'll add this color, I'll add this color here, and then I'll go for this, and I'll add it in the I'll copy it, and I'll add it here in the 6th number. You need to take care about this number sign should be there, because when you copy from here it only copy this code but not the number sign. So number sign, when you paste here, you should take care of that. Number sign should be there, otherwise this code will not work. So from here you can add the basic text color, you can change it as well. This is the basic text color. You can see this here we are using this color, so you can change this color as well. And then we have h1 2 3 4 5 6. We can change these colors as well according to these hiding numbers. And we have some more options, like we have link colors, which color that we will use for the link. Here you can see this is a link color. When we will hover or mouse on it, then it will turn into this orange color. And then text sections, then you can see, for that we can use this color, and for the border we can use this color, this 5th color that we have. So let's publish it. Now let's go back and see typography. Typography is fonts size and font family on these things. Here you can see this is a base text. For this we will use enter, and let's see where is it is. Okay, we will ignore it. Yes, this is applied. Here you can see that, and default or base font size is 16. So if we can change this as well from here. It's all up to you. You can change the weight as well. So let's go for the H1 heading. So for this we will use Nanito sans. Okay, so we will use for H2 as well Nanito sans. I added this Nanito Sans on H1 to H6, and then this was also important. In the buttons we will use Nanito Sans, so we added this, and you can change the font sizes as well, and from here you can change the font weight. Like here you can see this is here you can see this is semi bold, bold, extra bold, ultra bold, so you can use these options as well. So let's publish,